So hi friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a new outdoor adventure, on a new hike to the woods, and we're gonna be cooking, we're gonna be making tea, Moroccan tea, and also we're gonna enjoy and chill in these forests. And yeah, just like as you know, it's actually full. No, I'm not gonna take these way, so I'm gonna take these one here, as like you're seeing. So yeah, it's fall actually, and yeah, we're gonna try to, you know what I mean by fall. It's like, it's the season of fall. It's four seasons: summer and winter and snow. No, not snow, just like forget really, autumn and fall. That's it. Autumn, I think it's the fall. You know what? There is no need to explain more because I also got to know these things more and study about it more to got it. Yeah, let's go. Oh, this is really too amazing. I don't know what they call it. So just really I love these weather here, and also like, as you know, it's look really so amazing and relaxing and calm, and it gives me really the power to chill here and make a campfire and enjoy by my food. I mean my meal by my meal. Oh, it's like sorry. So yeah. باش نقول الخوت هو انني حنا في نهار جديد اخر. What the hell is that؟ علاش قلت نهار جديد؟ حنا في واحد الاوتدور اخرى غنمشيو غنريلاكسيو ها فشي قن نتشيلاو. هذا مكان that's it. والجو هنا really it's really amazing. جو واعر بزاف. و yeah, I think that's what I was saying. هادشي اللي كنت كنقول باللونجلي. المهم غنتشيلاو هنا ونميكو العباد ديالنا صافي that's it. Yeah, let you with the video. I think we're close to the place. قرابين حنا للبلاصة دابا. الصراحة المهم just like ما شي بلاصة مهم اللي تكون مشالية، فهمتيني، ماشي ضروري نبعد بزاف ولا شي حاجة، فهمتي. So yeah, you understand me good. I like the trees like these, الشجر اللي بحال هكا كيكون واعر، يعطي واحد الديكور واعر. واش كتفهموني ولا ما كتفهموش؟ Anyway, let's go. I think I found my place. Here I'm gonna make a campfire and we're gonna chill here, I think, because this look really amazing. It's like because of the whole ground here, like you're seeing. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. hi friends again. We found our spot here and we're gonna make the fire in it. Okay, so just like as you're seeing here, wait, we're gonna make the fire there. So yeah, it's just like it's look really amazing, this spot here. Ropes and sound and everything. So hi again. Yeah, we made the fire as like you're seeing there. Oh my god, something in my ear. That's sorry. So yeah, we're gonna make right now something like we're gonna prepare for the cooking. So I'm gonna show you here what we bring with us. So as like you're seeing here, there is a. Actually, I cannot call it a tagine. I don't know, but here is it. We have here, and we have spices here. This is water, actually, and 2 apples, and we have this one. I don't know what they call it. Just like I know the name English, but I forget really. So ما علينا ما شفتش اللي عندنا. ماشي شي حاجه، ما قلت شي حاجه باللونجلي اللي صعيبه، راه باينه شنو كنهضر عليه عرفتي باش ما تمرضونيش عاوتاني. So and we have this the tea الراد وكذا and yeah that's it. That's what I just show you. So yeah, نوريكم الفيو ديالنا من هنا هاد الحجرة. ليلة جويلة ناضي واعر. واحد صاحبي يجي معايا ولاني ضيع الهمزة. هذا ما عرفش بقيمة الطبيعة يا صاحبي. اي ما عرف بقيمة الطبيعة. عرفتي ديما كنت جالس في الدار يا صاحبي، ما كان عندي ما يدات حتى شي حاجه اخرى ما كندير صاحبي. شي مرضت والله الا مرضت اقسم بالله الا صاحبي، كنحس براسي غنتخنق. حتى رجلي كيضروني من هنا حقاش ما تمشيش صاحبي، رجلي كيضروني الا ما خرجش غادي نموت. So just like I decided، كنت بخير ما بيا ما عليا الصباح فقت بكري، قلت العشيه صافي العشيه غتوصل، العشيه غنطلع صافي ما فيها لا ديالي صافي، العشيه غتوصل خاصني نطلع. And I just what I did really. I decided to make a hike, so I just like I'm in a hike, I'm in an outdoor booth. So yeah, let's go prepare the scenes.